Hello everyone, welcome to eCraft Geeks. Today I would like to explain the topic black box. So let's begin. What is black box? A black box, also known as flight recorder, is an electronic recording device placed in an aircraft for the purpose of facilitating the investigation of aviation accidents and incidents. A black box flight recorder is a heavily protected recording device similar to a hard disk or a memory card. The black box records all relevant flight data in addition to conversations in the cockpit. Here is how exactly a black box looks like. Black box consists of two separate flight recording devices, that is, the flight data recorder and the cockpit voice recorder. The flight data recorder preserves the recent history of the flight through the recording of dozens of parameters collected several times per second, and the cockpit voice recorder preserves the recent history of the sound in the cockpit, including the conversation of the pilots. Flight data recorder. It is an electronic device that is used to record any instructions and the operating data from the plane's systems. The FDR records various performance parameters on an aircraft and provides accurate information. Some of the parameters recorded by most FDRs are time, pressure attitude, airspeed, vertical acceleration, fuel low, horizontal stabilizer, control wheel position. Cockpit voice recorder. It records the audio environment in the flight deck of an aircraft for the purpose of accident and incidents. This is typically achieved by recording the signals of the microphones and earphones of the pilot's headsets and of an area microphone in the roof of the cockpit. Positions of the four microphones are the pilot's headset, the co-pilot's headsets, the headset of a third crew member, and near the center of the cockpit where it can pick up audio alerts and other sounds. What does a black box do? Essentially, a black box flight recorder is a heavily protected recording device. The black box records all relevant flight data in addition to conversations in the cockpit. The voice recorder logs all sound in the cockpit in addition to discussions between the pilot. It also records automatic computer announcement, radio traffic discussion, and the crew and announcement to the passengers. The sounds of switches and engine are also recorded by the device. Private conversations between the pilots are also stored on the black box, which is why the captured audio files must be handled carefully from a data protection point of view. Discussions can only be evaluated in order to clarify accidents or malfunctions. So, how exactly can a black box survive after a major incident? Before being put into use, a black box must be able to withstand many accident scenarios without sustaining damage. They are tested to see if they can withstand an impact with a concrete wall at 750 kilometers per hour, a static load of 2.25 tons for at least 5 minutes, a maximum temperature of 1100 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, and water pressure found in depths of up to 6000 meters. In order to be easier to find at sea, the devices send out a signal on contact with salt, water, that can be picked up within a radius of about 2 kilometers. At such a short range, the location of the wreck should be more or less pinpointed in order to find the device. Some of the advantages are retrieval comes first. It is very useful for accident in investigation. The mistakes or error can be avoided in other aircraft and location of any place by means of GPS trackers. Some of the disadvantages are results are often overestimated, may leave many program paths untested. Not all properties of a software product can be tested. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to eCraft Geeks.